At sinabi, dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina, at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa, at sila'y magiging isa. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
I promise to listen, to learn, and to keep showing up for you even when it's hard.
Ayoko na tong pahabain pa kasi alam mo naman bukod sa alam mo yun mas mahaba lang talaga yung pasensya ko. And sana pagpasensyahan mo din ako.
Kasi andito si Jerry, hindi kanya iiwan. At higit sa lahat, Jerry at Leslie Ann, kapag tila nahihirapan na at napakabigat na ng pagsubok ng buhay pag-aasawa, andito si Jesus. Andito ang banal ng awa, ang bukal ng awa. Huwag kayong matakot at makalimot na tumawag sa Kanya. Hindi niya kayo iiwan. Kasi anumang pagsubok, anong problema, gagaan kasi kasama siya.
Partner in mischief, your strength when the world feels heavy, and your biggest fan in everything you do. And when life is uncertain, I'll hold your hand and remind you that we're in this together. Like the song. You are my heart, my home, and my forever.
Feeling ko talaga inikanto mo lang ako eh. Yung buhusan niyo muna kaya kayo ng asin, kuya.
Hold me close, let me dead in my eyes, till the day that I die. I just wanna feel alive. With you, I'm alive.
Dinaan mo na ako sa pasama-sama sa bundok, pagsundo, pagbusog at nagkape na, di na ako sa lahat. Then knowing you after a year, we decided to take on life together. And then the rest is history.
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed till I found her.
I started running from the love that you gave me, 'cause I was scared half to death that all I was chasing was perfection.
From face to face. So, who would expect na when I was trying to enjoy the moment, finding myself, kinukulayan yung mga pangarap na I will find the love of my life.
I was lost, out of nowhere, I knew
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed till I found her.
Found me lonely, lost and lonely, one step away from just giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break, till I found him running through the wild with half of a heart, made me a whole one out of the parts.
I give you all of me, the good, the flawed, the hopeful, because with you I'm whole, and I love you.
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed.
So, in the beginning, sinabi ko na I might not be the perfect guy, But I will always continue to try to be the best that you'll ever have and the best that you deserve. And to remind you nung proposal, sabi ko, sa mundong puno ng pagbabago, gusto kong ikaw yung maging constant. I love you.